Good morning, children. I'm Kesan sir, working as mathematics teacher in Dr. Besan School. In previous class, we have discussed the topic large numbers. Today also, we have to continue the same topic large numbers only. Okay, children. In previous class, we have discussed the Indian system of numeration. Now, in this class, we have discussed the international system of numeration. So, what is our concept now? International system of numeration. International system of numeration. In the international system of numeration also, a number is split into groups and periods. Like Indian system of numeration, here also we have to split, okay, into groups or periods. The periods are ones, thousands, millions, billions. See, ones, thousands, ones, thousands, millions, billions. Okay. Place values: ones, tens, hundreds. Here thousands, 10,000, 100,000, millions, 10 millions, 100 millions. Next, billions, 10 billions, 100 billions. So these are the place values. Okay. Now observe here, children, observe this one. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million, billion. Okay. Next, the relation between the number Indian system of numeration to international system of numeration. That one I will explain you. Listen concentrately. Number, that is what? 1 lakh. So Indian system of numeration, see, 1 after how many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means what? Lakh. International system of numeration, that is equal to 100,000. 100,000. Okay, I will explain on blackboard. Listen concentrately. seen ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, one to 10 to 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. This is Indian system of numeration. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, okay, million, 10 million, 100 million. Okay, observe this one, this table, the relation shows in between the Indian system of numeration to international system of numeration. This is very concept, important concept. Listen concentrately. Okay. So first of all, 1 lakh. 1 lakh means what? This is Indian system of numeration. So where is 1 lakh? That means what? 1 lakh is equal to 100,000. 100,000. Same 100,000 is equal to 1 lakh. 100,000 is equal to 1 lakh. Next, one more. 10 lakhs. So 10 lakhs is equal to what? 1 million. 1 million. Next. Crore. 1 crore is equal to 10 million. Next, 10 crore is equal to 100 million. Next, crore, 10 crore. Next to 10 crore, 100 crores. Crore, 10 crore. Okay, 1 to 10 to 100. Okay, so crore, 10 crore. Okay, next, 100 crore is equal to 1 billion. 100 crore is equal to, next 10 crore after what? 100 crore. 100 crore is equal to, okay, 100 million. Next what will get? Billion will get. So 100 crore is equal to 1 billion. 100 crore is equal to, okay, 1 billion. So this is the relation between Indian system of numeration to international system of numeration. Okay. Next, everyone knows number names in Indian system of numeration also, and internet system of numeration also. Sorry, Chinna. Next, now Roman numerals, Hindu Arabic numerals. This one I will explain. Roman numerals. Hindu Arabic numerals. Okay. See, Hindu Arabic numerals, as they were developed in ancient India, they were spread to the other parts of the world by Arabic traders. The Roman numerals were used in ancient Rome. It has 7 letters of English with the help of which all other numbers are given. The Roman numeral system was followed in ancient Rome. Nowadays, Roman numerals are mainly used because of their historical importance. The Roman numbers are seen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, okay, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So Hindu Arabic numbers, these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So the Roman numbers are, what about the Roman numbers? Okay. Like I, V, X, L, C, D and M. Okay. The Roman numbers are, the Roman numbers are I, V, X, L, C, D and M. Okay. Next, Roman numeral system symbols, Hindu Arabic numeral symbols. Okay. See, 1, 1, V, that means what? 5. Okay. 1, 1, V, 5. X, that means what? 10. L, 50. 50. C, century, 100. D, 500. M, 1000. This one you have to remember. Okay. Next, the description and examples I will explain. Children, this is the concept you have to remember. Okay, once you note down this, I, 1, V, 5, X, 10, L, 50, C, 100, D, 500, M, 1000. Okay, children. Next, some examples I will tell you. Example, CLXIX. Okay. C. What about C? 100. What about L? 50. What about X? 10. Sin. IX, that means 10 minus 1, that is equal to 9. Okay. See, Xi, that is equal to 10 plus 1. I is, if it is the right side, we have to add 1. No? If it is the left hand side, we have to subtract 1 from 10. See, I here. So we have to subtract 1 from 10. 10 minus 1, 9. I right side, 1 add 10 plus 1, it will become a 11. So what is the difference between these two? Now this is sin. 10 minus 1. 10 minus 1. That is equal to 100 plus 50 plus 10 plus 9. 100, 150, 160, 160 plus 9. 169. Okay. So this is the one example. Next, one more. LXXVII. So L 50, X 10, X again we have to add 10. This is 5 plus 1 plus 1, that means it is 7. Okay. So 50, 60, 70, 75, 76, 77. 77. Okay. Next to DCL. DCL. So D 500, C 100, L 50. So that is equal to 500, 600, 650. So 650. Okay. Next, write the Roman numerals for the given number. Up to now, Hindu Arabic numerals for the given numbers we wrote. Now Roman numerals we have to write. See, 160. This is 160 means 100 plus 50 plus 10. 100. C 50 L 10 X CLX. Next, one more, 2950. So 2950. So that means 1000 plus 1000 plus 900. 900 means 1000 minus 100. Why? Because this is 1000 plus 1000, 2000. 900, 1000 minus 100. Okay, plus 50. So 1000. M 1000 minus 100, that means sin. We have to subtract 100. So CM. Okay, why? Because subtracting, no, that's why the C we have to write towards left hand side. CM, not MC. CM. 50 L. So MMCML. Okay. Next, one more, 14. 14. This is simple. 10 plus 5 minus 1, 10 plus 5 minus 1, 10 x, 5 minus 1, that means IV, XIV. Okay, so these are the examples. I hope it's very clear. Now you understand the concept of Indian system of numeration and international system of numeration. Okay children, I hope it's very clear. Next, see now, what is the Hindu Arabic numeral for? What is the Hindu Arabic numeral for MDCLX VI? Then M 1000, D 500, C 100, L 50, X 10. This is 5 plus 1, VI, that is equal to 1000, 1500, 1600, 1650, 1660, 1666. 1666. Okay, next. Like this, some examples we can do this. Okay, so this is my today's class. I hope you understood very well. Children, now I will give you the homework. Please follow this homework also. So what is today's homework? Large numbers. Large numbers. Okay. Textbook. Page number 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, sin. Page number 38, 39. Next, 42, 43, 41, 42, 43, 41, 42 and 43. Some problems what I have explained belongs to these pages only. You have to watch the video concentrately, and also the same problems you have to do practice. Write in classwork also, and one time you have to practice. Okay children, thank you for listening. Thank you everybody.